Wind's blowing pretty good out here. Now we'll head inside.
Okay. You just let me talk.
Okay, we're taping now, so.
This is live fishing here with Nathan, Cool
I
Fisherman.
need a minute.
Oh, you lost one, huh? Okay.
Give us a few words of wisdom, Seth. How you caught your fish.
Yeah. Remember the last time I fished 40 feet of water with you, remember?
Yeah, chain up on the catch him like no
Can't even find my slip knot.
We caught like only a few crappies that night, didn't we?
Yeah, if that.
I want to see that bus. It was just gonna break it right loose. They don't look like they're frozen down at all.
They're,
Actually, look like they're jacked up.
he's got jacks. He's gonna jack it up.
Oh, he is?
Yeah.
Can't just break it loose, huh?
He must have full houses, otherwise they could move to another house.
Yeah. 50 yards, 3 feet in yards, 150 feet.
And discover a place where dreams and nightmares come true. Now a Bantam hardcover.
How did Messel Automotive Center get to be the largest volume dealer in northern Minnesota? We did it by offering the best prices and largest selection in the North Country. Like a 99 Pontiac Grand Am.
There he goes.
Highway 11. Funeral services for Russell Dollarose this afternoon at 2
He doesn't
o'clock.
bust
Jerk it a
loose.
little bit.
Covenant Church in
There it goes.
Roseau. Burial is at Fallen
Where are
Cemetery.
the guys? In the
Russell
bus?
Dollar 77.
Yeah.
Old Mill State Park has moonlight cross-country skiing tonight starting at 8 p.m. with a 1-mile candlelit trail. Tonight's Columbus
Well, maybe they'll find a new spot for tomorrow.
From 10 till 1 at the Carlston Eagles Club.
Oh.
And a benefit breakfast for Greenbush Lions Club member Pete Duncan is tomorrow from 10 till 1 at the Greenbush Community Center. Sponsored by the Lions Club.
I have results.
Defray medical expenses. To look at the local.
Oh, I should get a picture of you of that.
Sports and amusements. Main goaltenders Manny Fernandez and Jamie McLennan.
They go on a sled?
Star for Minnesota. Scoring
They're not gonna fish out in the open, are they?
Cuba,
I don't know where they're going.
and Stacey
They'd be nuts.
Jason Blake ruined Gustafson's shutout.
They might. Oh.
A goal with 1:57 left, while return home to host Detroit tomorrow. Minnesota Twins won each of its split game squads against Boston Red Sox and the Texas Rangers. Brad Radke struck out 4 and gave up just 1 hit in 4 innings. Minnesota beat Boston 9-2 last night. Chad Allen and Matt Lawton each had home runs for the Twins. Meanwhile,
Jordan Joey was.
2-run homer in the 7th as Minnesota beat Texas 7-1.
They're heading right out there where those snowmobiles were.
Perfect innings
Yeah.
for the Twins. Jack Hanahan's grand slam in the
Oh.
5th inning sealed Minnesota's 13-6 victory.
I wonder whose snowmobiles were out there.
The Governor.
Okay. Well, we got a little action anyway. Hey. Is it?
Under though. I don't know. What do you do? He's right at 30.
We're calling guys on radio.
Throwing him back. Yeah.
Hold them up.
No, it's gonna die.
Just hold on a second. Just hold on a second.
It's gotta be under 30.
I really don't care for the way some those things are designed.
Those aren't that good, are they?
Well, they work good for keeping the ice just nice and clean. You know?
But you never know.
Give us a live play-by-play, Bruce. How's it feel right now?
Whoa.
Whoa.
He's got 4-pound test here on a Fox Tinkler.
Here he goes.
I'm getting these up.
This is an eel pout. Supper's on you.
I don't think an eel pout fights like this.
Oh yeah.
I hope that dumb table doesn't get in the way.
Duggout, give me a gaff ready just in case it's a huge walleye.
Yeah, don't knock, whatever you do, Nathan, don't knock that table.
No,
You got a lot of
I
stuff
won't.
on there.
Well, I hope it doesn't get in the way where it's gonna
Well, I hope
hinder.
not either. I hope not either.
It'll be okay.
Get those rods out of the way.
Henry, give me a gaff
Yes,
just in
I'm
case.
getting my lines up, dude. I don't want it.
You gonna bring it up, Bruce?
He's coming. I get him up and then he takes off again.
Where's the gaff? Oh, here's.
That's the long one
Just
there.
hold
You
this
better
one
use
down.
It's
that.
a good thing I had that.
Be careful when you gaff it.
I'm not gonna gaff
'Cause
it.
it-
I'll just grab it.
You can get them by the gills maybe. Good thing I had
That's
that
a walleye. It's a trophy.
Yeah, I think it's a northern. It's a good thing I had that drag set with the way I did.
I think we got the 30-pound crappie on right now.
Yeah.
I hope the line don't give out on me.
Keep her centered in the middle of the hole.
I can't, yeah.
Pretty ear down there. I think your slip knot came up like that.
It came up,
Gotta
the
go back
slip knot
down
was,
again.
it came,
Who? Sweaty?
alright, it's, boy, I tell ya,
Jeez.
this is like a,
Grab me the radio, Gordy.
okay, it's coming now, it's coming again.
Okay, don't worry about it.
Alright, it's coming.
Mind your way?
He's coming now, there's a slip knot. He's a ways down now. Don't drop the radio on the
I'm
whole
not.
side.
I'm not. Don't worry about me.
Yeah.
I got a strap over me.
Yeah, go ahead. Ask Tim if he wants to stay out here tonight or what his plans are, will you? Yeah, I'd like to talk to him.
Ask me if there's any gar in here. I think we hooked the gar.
Hey, Bruce here's hooked the big one on 4-pound test. We're still fighting it here.
Oh my goodness. How are we gonna get that guy?
dude.
Don't scare him.
We're gonna need a gaff to get him.
I can't reach him.
We're gonna have to get
Use
a
the gaff.
Where's your guys' gas?
Use the gaff. That's what it's there for.
Where's that short gaff?
It's outside the door.
Yeah, it's outside the door.
We're gonna have to use the big one.
Well, give me the big one then.
One?
I thought you had it. Why'd you put it down?
What is it?
I don't know.
Get him under the gill. Goodness sakes. You're not under the gill very good.
He's a throwaway right now. I can tell you
I don't
that.
want to take him outside, do you?
Well, let's get.
Yeah, we got him up.
around in here.
No, I got
I don't know what the measurement, but I think he's a throwback.
He's a
Well, we're gonna get some pictures. We're not just gonna throw him back.
No.
Here.
Look at that.
Oh, he's
What is
close
it?
his
Grab
mouth.
his. To check his tail, Bruce. I got him at 0 right here.
Look out, Dario.
Well, I tell you, 30.
Is he 30?
Just at 30. Look at that.
Oh, it's a little
Look at
over
the-
30.
Look at that tail. His part's longer there, though.
Well,
Look at it.
Yeah,
It's up to
you
you,
gotta go
Coach.
by the
Yeah, fish.
longest. You gotta go by the longest portion of the
Yeah,
tail.
yeah.
You hold him.
Well, here. I don't want to try it in here because I'm gonna drop him and then we'll.
Oh, yeah.
Here, lay him down on the ice and then I'll take him. I want you to get a picture of me with it.
Here, I want to take some of my camera.
Want me to take a still picture? Or
Come outside, Seth.
you want me?
Go outside.
Come outside where the light is better. Come on.
Oh, I can get you right here.
I know you
get
can, but do it out here.
This is all on tape, you know. What do you want now?
Just. You got it.
Yeah. Turn them up so you can see the whole thing. There. Okay.
No, there's a switch behind it.
Yeah.
Flip it. He's coming in here.
There. Yeah, it's too early to go to Ely next week. I don't think I'm going to go with those guys.
No, not unless you get
Well,
some
right there
more
with that
weather.
steak, it's only 13 right there.
13 and a half.
Wow.
It's 22 early.
Oh, look at that. It's 2 hours.
Gordy.
I mean, someone
Man.
else is
I
doing
did
this.
that. No, it's probably him, dude.
Yeah, they're too early. They're gonna freeze your nuts off after next week.
Yeah. You need, like you said, a week of 40s or something.
Yeah.
This is a nice house, though.
Yeah.
Freak. I think my wrist is getting arthritis.
I've been sick the last 2 hours.
That one or over there?
Squeak perfection.
Now who's laughing? I went last night.
Where?
Oh.
The motel.
Yeah, no kidding.
10 hours later. Where's it at?
That far under the surface.
Is the rabbit wings, John? The rabbit wing?
I know what it is. I think they got lockjaw.